As you know, in Python, we use f strings for printing. First, we type letter F, and then we write our string inside double quotes. So the output is just the same as our string. Now let's say we have a variable called number_e. To print it, we just place it inside curly braces, like this. As you can see, the value of number e is printed completely, with the long decimal part. Maybe you don't need to print such a long decimal number. I think showing up to 3 decimal places is enough. To do this, we add a colon right after the variable, then a dot, then the number of decimal places we want, 3, and at the end, the letter F, which means format. The output is just what we expected, the number printed to 3 decimal places. So remember this expression, it's really useful. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.